Wriggling. Morning, my internet friends. I'm Emily. Today I'm in Mengzi City, Honghe, Hani ethnic group, Yi ethnic group, autonomous prefecture, Yunnan province. Wow, it's a long name. Today is such a big day. Behind me, you can see there are a lot of people because today is the market day once a week. 哎，你那个紫色的是什么？
是辣椒
啊，
辣椒，
辣椒，紫色的辣椒。The pepper, purple pepper. It is said there are a lot of special things that you never seen other than the local people. What's this? The owner said it's the flower. It smells like a corn. 这个是枣子吗？
这个是草果，
草果。
是香肉的，猪肉。
This whole street is for selling the mushrooms. I saw a lot of mushrooms that I've never seen before. Oh my god!
不一样。
It's live. Oh my god! 大哥，这个是什么？这个是什么？
红子。
蜂蛹，这怎么吃啊？ They are using the tweezers to pick out the bee pupae one by one, and they were all still wiggling. But it could be seen that they're very fresh. The name is cute. 猫抓草, a cat grab herbal tea. This Sunday market is originated from an open and small herbal market. The local Yi people and Miao people have rich knowledge of traditional medicine, so they come here to buy some herbal to boil the water or make wine. As time flies, more and more mountain villagers brought various and rare medical herbals to join, and the flower sellers and the vegetable sellers followed one by one. And eventually, this large-scale Sunday market was formed. These are the edible flowers, rose, chrysanthemum. I don't know what's the name of that bug, but the owner said you can use that to treat rheumatism or make wine. Herbal medicine shop. The name is too complicated for me. I don't know how to translate it. You guys just look around. This wine looks very good. It says if you drink this wine, you can live forever. 哥，这个是什么？这个鱼头。Oh, 芋头. That is terrorist roots. I thought it's a hulu or something. It's a container. 咪咪。咪咪。咪咪。It's called 鸡血藤 ，chicken blood 藤。
哦，这叫大喜藤。
对，这个已经不来，你吃了它都会来已经的，一碰它就出血了。
Girls, look at this. This is only for girls. If you don't have your period, you can try this. Look, it's bleeding. It's not sticky and has no flavor. Just some red liquid. 你好，这个是那个炸好的蜂蛹吗？
你知道这，你们这个会知道？
这个不是蜂蛹，
不是蜂蛹，
这是蚕蛹。
蚕蛹，哦。
吃那个蚕，蚕的蛹子。
好吃吗？
那你在云南还不好买嘞。
是三花粉。
好吃。
好吃。
我老家就烧韭菜吃。
哦。
吃起来什么感觉？它会爆浆吗？
有的里面有籽的，有要产卵的那种就爆籽，哦，不然它不爆，爆籽的特别香。
哦，
不敢吃。It can be fried in oil and eaten, and it's rich in protein. But anyway, I'm not gonna try it. Do you dare to try it?
这个卖豆腐就好啊，
毛豆腐啊，
卖豆腐就好啊，
好吃，
好吃，
好吃。
而且对脑也好处啊，
对脑袋也好处啊。This is called 毛豆腐。The fur
毛豆腐好啊。
Have you ever seen such kind of tofu? It has fur, and you can mix with the pepper, sugar, salt, and what's this? I don't know. 南瓜条。 It's made by pumpkin. The outside is crispy and the inside is the pumpkin, a little bit sweet. It's quite tasty. Sorry. There are too many special and interesting and good things that I've never seen before, and I feel sorry that I couldn't explain them very well. For some things, the name is so special, and that is my first time heard of them. I'm on my way to try the specialty food here, the Hani meal. So it's about 2.3, 2.4 kilometers. And you can see these buildings are very low, not like the big city, the tall buildings. So I think living here is very comfortable. I don't like the tall buildings. That makes me feel depressed. 先要换电池，没电了。
没事，我就这个开一下开关就可以。
If the price is the same, I prefer Mazda, the one I took, because I can enjoy the street views of the city and feeling the breeze. I think it's nice. 老板，咱这是哈尼菜吗？
是的，是的。
是的。有哪些特色菜呀？
豆非洲，豆非洲。
豆非洲。
等一分钟，我把小孩
等一分钟。等1分钟。
你听不出来。
听不出来，我外地的。This is called loquat fruit. I'm so surprised. I like here so much because there are a lot of things and a lot of food that I've never seen, I've never heard of. It's a green small fruit. Sorry. It's a sticky. But it's sweet. It's quite tasty and has a flavor of flower. Nice try. I saw that bajiao fruit this morning in that market, so I'm very curious how it tastes like. But how to call that in English? Japanese banana fruit? Hardy banana fruit? Plantains fruit? Which one is correct? 啊，它里面是长这样的，有点像树根。And this is the specialty food here, 蘸水鸡, the chicken and the soup. I thought the soup is just the soup, but it has the eggs and the meat, the blood, and it's actually the dipping sauce. You can soak the chicken in the soup. And this soup is for free. The owner is so nice. It has no flour flavor. It tastes like a dry chicken slice. The Hani people love the spicy food. 对，我感觉这些菜挺辣的，你们好像很能吃辣。
我们这边吃辣的比较多点。
This is the pickle, 苦果 the bitter fruit. It's so sour and spicy. I couldn't take it. This is my second city in Yunnan province, and the first city I came to is the Kunming city, the capital city of Yunnan province. And the people said the Kunming city is the spring city, the flower city. It's like the spring all year round, but in winter the temperature could be 1 or 2 Celsius degrees. But here, Mengzi City, the average temperature here is 20 Celsius degrees all year round, no winter, no summer. So I prefer here. And the people are very warm, very nice. They give me free food and free soup. And the price is not expensive, the living price. The 10 yuan, $1.5 can make me full. So I like here. And because it's not a travel city, many people don't know the beauty of this city. And if you have the opportunity coming to China, Yunnan province, I highly recommend you can come here. My task is to eat 2 pomegranates every day. Yes, my task, 2 every day, because in my last episode, the nice warm people gave me 26 pomegranates. So it's too heavy. I have to try my best to eat pomegranates as many as I can before I'm heading to the next city. So that's all for today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. See you next time. Bye bye.